Cleaning and warranty. We cannot stress how important it is to check filters every day, that is bags, blue, white and green, and rear filter cartridges. Remember, it is just like a vacuum cleaner. If it's not cleaned, it will not work properly. Blue bag daily, green and white bags weekly, and rear filters every 2 weeks. But this depends on the volume of use. No bag should be left for more than 14 days. Do not store for long periods with water in sump or wet filters in rear housings, as they will go stale and smell. If you are getting odours from your unit, give it a complete clean, bags, filter cartridges, and empty sump and wipe out. Remember, your warranty can be made void by not cleaning as instructed or abuse of the system. Get your bags and filters from your supplier, Pro Plaster.